beautiful state of Oregon, and this is probably the nicest Airbnb I've ever stayed in. So I want to take you guys on a tour. We're switching to my phone for this tour because it's just a little easier. Let me clean up my camera setup a little bit. Okay, we're clean. So this is the view when you first walk in, and the first thing that catches your eye is probably these massive floor-to-ceiling windows, and they just bring in a ton of natural light. We got a couch, a little Eames lounging chair, and this coffee table that also rises up so that you can use it as a dining table or for working. To the left of when you enter is the kitchen, and this is probably the nicest kitchen I have ever seen in an Airbnb. Like, yes, it is beautiful, but it's also just very well equipped. We got this induction stovetop, dishwasher, combination microwave and oven, and just like a bunch of appliances and tools. If you want to cook here, you're not missing anything you need. My favorite part about the kitchen is these windows. This window that just goes underneath the cabinet from wall to wall. It's just so beautiful, and I love the natural light that it gives you when you're cooking on the countertops. I am very excited to cook and try some new recipes here. So yeah, just looking forward to that. Okay, next we have the bathroom, and the bathroom has everything you could want for like an upgraded bathroom experience. We got heated floors, the Japanese style toilet with the heated seats and the bidet, a beautiful shower with this window. One thing about this whole B&B is that the owners actually designed it for their parents to move in with them when they get older. So there's a lot of thoughtful design choices to make it more accessible. We got the wide doorways, we got the no-step shower, which I actually wouldn't recommend. The thought behind it is well intended and it's thoughtful, but practically it's not the best just because the water splashes out very easily. And behind me we have the washer and dryer, and then lastly the bedroom. I feel like sometimes when you sleep in a new place for the first time, it's always a little bit harder to go to sleep, but I did not have that problem here. This was really nice. Behind the bed is the closet, and they supplied so many towels. I don't even need all these towels, but it's just so nice to have. And we got the bathrobe. Honestly, using a bathrobe, it's just such a nice experience. So anyway, that's the tour. But yeah, I'm here by myself, and the purpose of this trip is rest. I love to travel, and every time that I've taken time off for myself, it's always been some kind of big trip. It's always fun to explore new cities and new places, but I've noticed that coming back from those trips, it's often without experiencing enough rest. I think I'm looking for a type of rest that you get when you're a kid on summer vacation, and you can just lay around and do nothing, and there's no itinerary. I brought my Kindle. I'm going to catch up on a bunch of books that I've been putting off, and I'm going to work on some creative stuff. There's so much videos and stuff that I've done that I've just never edited, so I'm gonna just relax and finally get some of that stuff done. Oh, and I'm going to cook. I love to cook, but during like normal corporate life, I feel like there's never time to like enjoy the process of cooking day to day anymore for me. And so I'm just gonna be doing that, like enjoying living slowly, basically. Right now I'm gonna make a bagel and then decide what I should do next. Normally I would put like red onion on this, but the only option they had at the store I was at was buying a bag of 10, so I didn't need that. Mm-hmm.